Welcome to our channel Explore Life with Shutapa. We are back with another video, and this is about photographing the beautiful bird, the Indian skimmer at Satkosia. In the last video of the series, we have shared the details for boating at Satkosia, where we photograph the rare and endangered reptiles like the mugger, the gharial, and the turtles. On our first boating, we were sharing the boat with other passengers, and hence we could not spend much time to photograph the skimmers and video it. Hence, we again went boating on Mahanadi Gorge on 25th December morning. So, apart from the Indian skimmers, what other birds we got to know? Keep watching the video. So, without any further delay, let's start the video. On 25th December 2025 morning, we again went for boating on the Mahanadi Gorge at Satkosia. After reaching the Tikkorpada village, we had to take an electric auto to reach the Gharial Research Center, from where we had to take the boat. And this is a very good initiative by the Forest Department of Odisha. These will ensure very less pollution near the Satkosia Gorge. Also, just before the boating area, there is a water which is made up of potassium permanganate, I guess, and it is to ensure that no infection is carried with the boots of the passengers inside the river. During winter mornings, the area are generally covered in very heavy mist. But we were lucky that day as the mist was less and the visibility was at least good. We started boating and started to reach the area of Indian Skimmers. On the way, we came across two muggers, but today our focus was the Indian Skimmer only. Even a white browed wagtail decided to take a boat ride with us, which was very interesting. We reached the area where the Indian skimmers were resting. Last time, when we came to the place of Indian skimmers, they were busy in various activities like taking flights, skimming in the water for food, taking a bath, and occasional territorial fight. However, now they were just resting in the morning hours. We spent the whole boating time watching this beauty and its behavior. Indian skimmers are beautiful birds with a unique behavior. They skim in water to catch fish. Hence, this beautiful black and white bird with a bright orange bill has a lower mandible longer than the upper, which helps in the skimming. These birds are endangered due to the loss of habitat due to sand mining, dam construction which alters the water level, and human disturbance. Though these birds are habituated to the fishermen who are fishing in this area, yet it is better to maintain a safe distance and use a telephoto lens to shoot this bird. The Indian skimmer primarily feeds on fish, which it catches by skimming the water surface with its elongated lower mandible. This feeding behavior is unique and essential for their survival. This bird is primarily found in large, slow-flowing rivers with exposed sandbars and islands, where these birds can effectively forage for fish. The Indian skimmer is known to breed in colonies along river systems of India such as Ganga, Chambal, and Yamuna. They are often spotted in Chambal River in central India, in parts of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect the Indian skimmer and its breeding habitat as the population is declining fast due to habitat loss, pollution, and human disturbance. We have been watching this beauty for the last two boat ride, yet our hearts were still not filled with its beauty.
ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ନେଚର ବୁଝିଲେ
ସୁନ୍ଦର ମାନେ ଆକୁ ମତେ ବି ଖୁସି ଲାଗେ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ।
Near the skimmer, we noticed a few terns. There was a black-bellied tern. This elegant tern is also an endangered species which primarily inhabits large, slow-flowing rivers, lakes, and adjacent wetlands in the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia. Their population is also facing challenges to thrive due to loss of habitat, water pollution, agricultural expansion, and human disturbance, etc. There was also a beautiful bird, another tern, a river tern, which is fairly common in these areas. Happy to sight such rare species, our heart filled with joy, we started to return. On our way back, we spotted another near threatened species, a greater thickney. We also saw a few river lapwings, which is quite common in these areas of Mahanadi at Satkosia. Happy to sight such rare species, we continue to return. Our boatman was just telling about the sighting which happened the earlier evening when the tourists in a boat were lucky enough to spot a young leopard who has come to quench its thirst. And just then, our boatman spotted something on a tree, a crested serpent eagle. It was a great sighting. That day, we spotted 3 crested serpent eagles on our way to the boating area as well as on our way back. Crested serpent eagles is a gorgeous raptor which can be commonly seen perched upright in well-wooded areas. The raptor sat on the perch while we returned to the jetty. So, this was all about our boating experience at Satkosia. You can also explore this place, and while exploring, keep in mind to maintain the ethics, keep a safe distance, and do not disturb the species. So, if this video was worth watching and helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video and let us know in the comment section. Also, if you like such videos, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So till the next video, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.